Source that I would like to draw your attention to is an open source database that we have curated and created ourselves. And to access that, you go to the Overton Memorial Library catalog. So same thing, 3 horizontal bars, click, down to library, down arrow, pull up Overton Memorial Catalog. And by the way, if you are interested in seeing what physical holdings we have in the library, this is your access point to the catalog. And so you can do a basic search here. You can also search by title, author, subject, ISBN, publisher, and so forth. You can do an advanced search like we discussed with the other databases as well, if you would like. So if you are planning a research trip to Florence and you want to know what we have available in the library itself, you can sort of plan out your research ahead of time. And the Overton Memorial Library hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And so keep that in mind as well. But regarding the open source database that we've created, you will go to web links at the top, and you have an alphabetical list here of free open source academic and scholarly resources that we recommend, and we regularly add to this list, as well as check this list for dead or expired links. You'll have a link, you'll have the URL, website URL, you'll have the intended audience, subject area, and then a brief summary of what the material contains. And so we have everything from biblical studies, theology, biblical languages, church history, to cultural and societal databases that can be very helpful. And so we encourage you to check out these web links and come back to this section of the library's catalog often, because, as I mentioned, as we become aware of good resources, we're constantly adding links to this list. And so this is an excellent free resource that you can use while you're a student at HCU and beyond.